Hey everybody, in this video I got two master locks here. These are locked together without keys. Got these on eBay for dirt cheap. And let's see if we can get it open here. The round one's a master number 40. I'm really not sure what this one is, but I'm sure we'll get it open and maybe pull the cover off. It's an M1 keyway, I know that. So just a regular run-of-the-mill keyway. Alright, so there's that one open. And get it off of here. I don't know what this is, like a 2 or 3 or something. And then we got the round number 40. Here's a 40mm round padlock for like storage lockers or whatever. And the whole core is moving around, and it sounds like there's sand or something in it. Go. That's open. Alright, it's just two kind of just fun ones. They're on eBay for like $6 for both of them, so that'd be fun to pick them. Hadn't picked a master lock in a while. That'll do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.